Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization mod. Well done. Now firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Good job. Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode. Press the blinking button again to something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may press the button again to replay the audio check. Then press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and is ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order you removed them. Then close up the faceplate, and well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.